To get started, I just added a couple video clips to my timeline that I'd like to fade to black. Let's begin by going up here to the Transition tab. Then go over to the search box in the right corner and type Fade. Drag the fade effect to the end of the clip on the timeline you'd like to fade out to black. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking fade to black. To change the duration of the fade, simply drag the edge of the transition on the timeline. You can also drag the fade transition to the beginning of your video to fade in from black. Finally, to put a fade to black between two clips, just drag the fade transition to the cut between your clips so that half of the transition is on each clip. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.